In this vibrant era, Taikoo G1 Steel Co. Limited is at the forefront of the industry with a spirit of focus, innovation, and excellence. We have advanced production equipment and a technical team to provide customers with high-quality mass steel pipe fittings. The production process is one of the key factors for the success of Taikoo G1 Steel Co. Limited. Our production process adopts strict standards and technology to ensure that the quality and performance of each product meet customer requirements. We strive for excellence from raw material procurement to production and processing, quality inspection, and packaging and shipping. Our production process is efficient and precise, able to meet the needs of various customers in terms of quality, price, delivery time, etc. We always adhere to strict quality control standards to ensure that every product meets customer requirements. One thing that Taikoo G1 Steel Co. Limited takes pride in is that we have a wide variety of products with sufficient inventory. The mass steel pipe fittings we produce cover multiple specifications, materials, and applications, which can meet the needs of different industries and customers. Whether it's construction engineering, petrochemical industry, or water conservancy engineering, we can provide suitable product solutions. At G1 Steel Co., Ltd. in Taikoo County, we believe that integrity and service are the key to the success of the enterprise. We will continue to improve our technology and service level, creating greater value for our customers. Taikoo County G1 Steel Co. Limited is your expert in steel pipe fittings. Let's work together to create a better future.